What's going on, everybody? Jordan here. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some products from Cosa Nostra Grooming Company. Let's get started with this video. Alrighty, so before we get into this video, shout out to Cosa Nostra for sending this stuff to me. I'm going to be testing this out and reviewing it. So this is the first part of the unboxing. I'll also be doing some product photos and maybe some other photos that feature the products, but not just the products. Who knows? Stay tuned for that. Those will probably be out maybe before this video. Let's get into this video. So first, I'm going to tell you about Cosa Nostra Grooming products and the products they sell, as well as some background. Let's get into this video. Alrighty, so Cosa Nostra Grooming Products is a family-run company. The owners are Louis and Candace, husband and wife, and they're based in Florida, I believe. I'll pop that up if that's not correct, but I will check before I post this. Yeah, Port Charlotte, Florida. Yeah, so they sell men's grooming products. So they've got shampoo, conditioner, styling cream, styling powder, as well as a conditioner and shampoo combo, as well as the Made Man kit, which is all their products, which is what I have here. And they also have some other like merch kind of stuff. I'll have the link down below. Check them out. Yeah, let's unbox this stuff. Alrighty, so we're gonna get into this this package here that I was sent by Cosa Nostra Grooming. Yeah, without further ado, let's get into that. And shout out to them, like this got here pretty quickly, all things considered. Yeah, so inside the envelope, we have another envelope. Got this big envelope, and then you got this super cool Cosa Nostra Grooming products with the website right there. Very nice, very nice. Pop this open, and you have the products right there. Bada bing, bada boom. So, let's talk about what's in here. So we've got, oh, this is super cool. So this is the, oh, it got all the squish and shipping. Oh no, it didn't. That's just, it's all good. Yeah. So this is the Bada Bing shampoo. It's tea tree and argan. Looks to be a, yeah, 250 mils, 8.8 ounce. And for the ingredients, they say, in that mix. And this is the description. That energizing peppermint scent will pop you in the nose so you know the shampoo is getting the job done. Tea tree oil and argan oil are into sauce too. They take oily buildup and that dead skin to the drain to sleep with the fishes. Nice. And if you know, if you know what we're saying, there's a made antifungal and antibacterial cuisine that works to whack microorganisms that sit on your stoop all day, making problems like dandruff and flaky skin. Oh, and there ain't no parabens or sulfates neither. This is amazing. How to apply: wet that hair, lather with shampoo, then time for spring cleaning, rinse that out, and bada bing. How not to use: it's not the Sunday sauce, so don't put it in your mouth or try to clean your eye with it. Alrighty, so next, let's see what else is in here. So we've got the, this is the Bada Boom Tea Tree Argan Conditioner. Yeah, same kind of label, same size, similar description. After you use Bada Bing with wet hair still, lather with conditioner. Keep it in that mop about 1-2 minutes. Rinse that out once more and bada boom. So this wins for the best like product description of anything I've ever used. That's fantastic. And if you can't tell, this is very like, obviously Cosa Nostra is the Italian mafia. It's a very mobster, very old school kind of theme on these labels, as you can see. I'll B-roll and product photos showing as well. And I've got the pump tops, very, very nice. Next, we've got the Initiation Styling Cream, very, very cool. Yeah, so this is for your hair, obviously. So I'll be testing this out starting tomorrow. That's what it looks like. Ooh, that's a nice scent. Sweet, but kind of like it would fit in with a barbershop. Like, I like that scent. This Cosa Nostra's winning so far with these first impressions. Like, I'm impressed. This is the Shakedown Styling Powder. Never actually used one of these before. Your mop is dried lightly, sprinkle powder onto it, mix it around your hairs, testing it gently with your fingers to create body and texture. Then check out the Paisan with that matte finish in the mirror. These descriptions are fantastic. Really cool bottles and labels and stuff too. I'm really impressed. Very nice. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, hell yeah. Cosa Nostra keychain. That's definitely going on my keys. That's amazing. Fantastic. And then we've got, oh, that's cool, fridge magnets. Very nice. With the logo on them. Yeah, I'm very impressed with this stuff. Very cool labels, theme, funny, like very classic Italian descriptions. Yeah, let's continue on with this video. So, just wanted to bring you guys this quick unboxing. We got the bada bing, bada boom shampoo and conditioner, as well as the styling powder and the styling cream from Cosa Nostra Grooming. They sent these out. Shout out to them for doing that. Stay tuned for a review on these coming soon after I test them out for a while. And when you're seeing this unboxing, I'll probably have product photos up, or they'll be going out shortly, so check out those. This hat's going to be featured, so watch out for it. Yeah, cool magnets as well for the fridge. Keychain, super cool. Yeah, really impressive presentation and branding, and really cool theme. I like it. I've really been reading into the Cosa Nostra, the Mafia, recently, and very interesting stuff. I love that these products are working that history into their branding. But yeah, so once again, shout out to Cosa Nostra Grooming for sending this stuff out. Really excited to check it out. Yeah, check them out down below, and use code JordanCantillonTBT. That's my affiliate code. So check them out. Really cool stuff. Definitely cool family-run business. So I rock with it. I'll be testing these products out, but I'm expecting good things. Seem pretty solid based off the first impressions. So yeah, click the link down below if you want to check them out. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you think about these products, if you've tried them, if you've seen them before. If you haven't, I'll have a link down below. And stay tuned for my full review. But again, thanks for watching. Back with more soon.